Welcome, everybody. Happy Friday. Welcome to the Daily High on this wonderful Friday evening, morning, with your host, Matt McGregor and Tone Vase. Tone, where are you, mate? That looks absolutely gorgeous.
Morning, guys. I am in the beautiful Rotan, Honduras. Oh man, this place is, well, the island is amazing, and this resort is even more amazing. I'm going to talk about this on my YouTube channel. I'm going to do a show there tomorrow with the CEO of this project over here. But today, it's just me and a couple of friends hanging out here.
Well, I'm a friend of yours, Tone. Where's my bloody invite?
You were too far. You were too far. Let me change the view to myself. And let me zoom the camera out real quick. This will take a minute. We're gonna go bam. And the camera should still follow me. So this is a 5-bedroom that we rented. Uh, you can see the beautiful infinity pool overlooking the ocean. And this villa is only costing us about, I don't know, maybe 200 a person per night, which is not bad at all for the view. And the sunset's right behind me. If you look at my stories on my Telegram, the sun, this is the morning, so it looks a little dark and gloomy. That's because the sun is completely on the opposite side. The sun will be on my side in the evening for the sunset. Freaking incredible. I'll try to do one for the sunset on my YouTube channel as well. All right. And on that note, I'm going to get back to gallery view with Matt. You can see it behind me. And you want to go first on the price today? Because I have no idea what happened last hour. I just woke up and saw massive volatility from 72 high down to 70 low. What the hell happened, Matt? Tell us.
All right, mate. I think it's quite clear what happened. It was a wick hunt for all the over leveraged longs, and I'm loving what I'm seeing right now on Bitcoin. Loving it. You should have seen my group. I just got to say, guys, if you're in the black box Discord group and you see the price almost reach new all-time highs and then it crashes $1,000, don't freak out. Don't freak out. That's a great buying opportunity. A few people were like, "Oh no, what a terrible crash." I was, nah, nothing, all good. It looks good. We're on the 4-hour time frame right now. The wave will change red if we the wave will change green if we hit this little star right here, which you can barely see, but it's 72,116 today. That will flip that wave green, which is the final straw that'll break the camel's back, I reckon. It doesn't mean we can't go up and down. It's volatile, no doubt about it. But that is macro bullish. These waves don't flip all that regularly. Yes, I'll go to the weekly time frame just to give you a bit of an overview.
So just to comment on the 4 hour, that
You
was a
know,
beautiful cup and handle right there.
I'm coming back to the 4 hour. I'm coming back. I've got something to
Hmm.
say today. I just wanted to just touch on for a second alpha numerics on the weekly time frame. These waves are these don't flip that often. This was the worst case of chop we probably ever had on the alpha numerics indicator, where it went green here, changed red here, green here, red here, green here. Like this, that's the only hiccup it had. From here, you went long, you got short here, and then you got long again here. That was a bad trade. But keep in mind, that was like 6, 7 months of consolidated, 8 months of consolidated range. I mean, that good luck. Good luck trading that if you're looking at these long macro trades. The rest of them have been way more consistent. And we're getting, like these kind of run ups that we had in that bull market run up. I know this is cherry picking, but we're looking at them now, not even in a vacuum, in real time. I'll just go to auto for a second so it's more clear here. Um, we want to see this thing turn green and run up. These are weeks. Remember, weeks down, weeks up, weeks up. That is what we're facing right now. And we're facing it at all-time highs. That's a different That's a different world that we're facing it here, not here or here at an obvious breakout point. The breakout point is here. I think this thing is, I've been saying it all week. We're going into silly season. This thing looks prime. And in that prime that I'm talking about, you're going to see a lot of what we just saw on the 4 hour time frame on any time frame. Hell, I'll just go to the hourly time frame. You're going to see a lot of this crazy $1,000 drops in. That happened in 15 minutes. Okay. We got so close to flipping that wave. So close. We got up to 40, a 71, 900, nearly 72. Bang. 72 down to 7,500, $1,500 move, 15 minutes. That's what you're going to get. You have to expect that when we're at these kind of ranges. But it's bounced up beautifully. It's had a fantastic recovery. Closed the 1 hour right here, and we've kicked on from there. We're back. It's been a great 24 hours. It's been a great 24 hours. You might be wondering, I'm still completely locked and loaded in my real money trade at 67,642. Haven't done nothing. Completely long. Really happy about that. In the trading competition, which started at 1 o'clock last night, so it's been going for nearly 24 hours at this point. As soon as the trade at 1 minute past 1 a.m. at my time, when the trading competition started, I went 15x leverage long at 71,191. It went, for the day, when I woke up in the morning, it was done to my trade. It went up higher, and now we're back higher again. So I'm in profit. I think I'm in third place in my team. One guy in there is doing really well, so I'm really appreciative of that. But I'm just locking in. I've been saying in my group all day, I'm just leverage long. I'm not worried about anything else. I said in the group when we were down here earlier today, they said, what are you going to do? Are we leverage long? Are we short? Whatever like that. I said, we're long. We're just long. Because do you think at no point, this is what I love to say, at no point in the next 20 days, the trading competition goes for 20 days, and you can still join, mind you, 20 days. Do you think we're never going to go higher than we are right now? We're not going to go up to 72, 74, any of that in the next 20 days? I think we definitely are. So the long position to buy and sell higher was a lock for me, and I still believe that now. I still believe that now. We're going higher in the next 20 days. Yes, there'll be this. If you're a great trader, you can capitalize. I think this is ready to go. I think this is ready to go. Daily time frame. I've got the MRI off, but I'd rather you talk about the MRI anyway. MRI looks fine on the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're looking good. 5 touches of the all-time high. Let's finish with the weekly because it's the last day of the week. We are this close. If it is where it is right now in 2 days and 11 hours, it's the highest weekly close of all time. If you're not bullish at this point, I don't know what to do with you or for you. This is bullish. This is bullish. We could go from 71,500 to 80,000 quicker than you could believe. It's ready to rock Bitcoin. And I think everyone knows it. I think there'll be little stutters, but it's ready to rock. Tone, I am coming back to you now. I got nothing to say. It's absolutely bullish. No, it's totally bullish. It was bullish yesterday when you were negative Nancy with 24 hours of being awake and in the airport. I was bullish then, been bullish. I'm bullish and bullish and bullish. 100% long, and I'm so excited. Please like and subscribe. Well, share it with your friends. I can hear cats screaming outside my window. Very off-putting. There must be at least 10 cats having a cat fight outside. Wow. Sounds like Godzilla's outside my window. Please like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Please, there's still, actually, I didn't realize you can still join the team in the BitGet trading competition. We've got 36 people in there now. The team's doing really well. The top 5 or 6 are all in positive, and I think we're going to do really well. We're in the top 100 already, top 60 or something like that in the whole competition. We're going to get top 10. Please join the team. And Tone, what's up, mate? How are you looking?
Well, I already showed you guys around. So let me go straight to screen share and look at the price. I'm going to start with the weekly chart. Let me wait for that to pull up. There you guys go. The weekly chart is up. The price action looks absolutely incredible. We are about to close a new weekly closing high. As you know, that makes me very, very bullish. We are coming off a green star candle. That also makes me very, very bullish. The only thing is we are currently on the extension C candle. This is the candle that potentially could end this run up. This extension C is coming in from the MRI buy candle in November of 2023 weekly candles. There is another set of counts, A, B, and C, coming in from the MRI top we had the first week of April. They're probably not going to be here for a while. Let me actually show extension details. And those extension details, if I open them all up, and the extension details, we are on, there is a count C in the background because we just completed one, and counts A and B are A is on 6 and B is on 3 at the moment. So hopefully 4 later today if we keep going up. So we got a long way to go for extensions A, B, and C coming off the MRI top that we had back in April. That's a good sign. All right, I'll delete these later. Allocation chart. Allocation chart is 100% long, and there's no reason to discuss it. Was tempted to go 150% long, but I didn't. Now, daily chart. The daily chart is where I had some concerns about the CMF. As you can see, the CMF is still slightly dropping. CMF is still slightly dropping. And on a daily chart, sorry, that wasn't daily chart. Let me go to the price action. On the price action, it's a beautiful cup and handle going on here. I like it. We're so close to breaking that lucid SAR. We are so close to breaking that resistance level. And I think we're going to do it. We are 3 days away from the MRI top. I do think we're going to hit the MRI top and pull back a little bit. So I am bullish going into the weekend. Short-term chart, crazy volatility. Look at the CMF on the 1 hour chart. I am now the opposite, right? So if we do this, yesterday at this time of the show, there's the CMF. We did the show at the 10 a.m. candle yesterday morning, around the same time as right now. Right now it's 10 a.m. We were rising right here yesterday at 10 a.m. The CMF was going negative. I was concerned, and what happened for the next 5 to 6 hours? Over the next 5 to 6 hours, we dropped from 71,500 all the way down to 70,000. That was a 2% drop for $1,500 on Bitcoin using an hourly charge. That's nothing to sneeze at as a day trader. Now, look what happened then. Right off the lows, we held the MRI support line. And look where the low was made in the CMF. The low was made at hour 1500, so 3 p.m. This candle, this reversal candle is hour 1600. So the low was made, this is, right, so 1500 is when the low was made. So the low in the CMF is made on this giant red candle. And let me move this up one so it's easier
Can I
to.
say? Can I say something, Tone? We
What's up?
the only issue I have with the CMF is that we know now it was so low. We didn't know at the time it was so low. Do you know?
No, we didn't know at the time it was the low, but I look at when they cross the zero line.
I I
So
I I, I love that too because that's how I look at like copy curves as well, and I totally agree. I totally agree in that sense. But it looks
okay,
fantastic.
so let me just finish up real quick and then shoot off your question. So the low was made on this giant red candle. Obviously, the following candle is crashing more, and I'm sure the CMF is falling more. But becomes a reversal candle. The CMF actually goes up. So what you have to be concerned about is when you have a reversal candle like this. Let me turn the MRI off, even though they kind of, so it's clear. The concerning part is if you had a candle like this and another small green candle, but the CMF keeps going lower, that could tell you that this is a fake move up. But with the CMF going green, this tells me this is a real move up. And right here on this candle, I have confidence that the low was in. This is around 1800. And now, not only are we going up, we're continuing to go up. And this giant red candle we had an hour ago is not crashing the CMF. And the CMF is still significantly higher. So this gives me confidence on the hourly scale that this candle is not concerning, even though in other situations this candle could be concerning, because look at the volume on that candle, it's massive. But the CMF is telling me not to be too concerned, because the CMF here is way higher than we had the CMF even back here during this run-up. And on the other hand, this entire time right here, this is where I'm concerned, is when the price is making new highs and the CMF is in the toilet. I'm concerned. Price is making new highs, CMF is way up, I'm not concerned. So to me, right now, this is actually still very bullish. That explain it?
Mate, I rescind my comment because I think we should be paying more attention to the CMF here, even on the 1 hour time frame. I think I really like it now. Do you know that's really great.
Okay, and here it is on a 4 hour time frame, and the same thing. Like on a 4 hour time frame, the CMF just stays super high, and so we're good to go. I mean, it's not always going to be right, but it looks good. And yeah, like here's where you have to be. I'm trying to find the situation where you have to be concerned. And right here, CMF goes green, and right here it can be very, very bullish, and it's been bullish since, and it's still bullish. All right. And on this note, I'm going to sneak a peek at the S&P 500. We're still looking at new all-time highs, looking good on the S&P. Something about the jobs report this morning that might have spooked the markets and Bitcoin. I can glance at it on a 5-minute S&P chart. Yeah, it looks like the markets got spooked at 8:30 a.m. with the jobs report, but the world's all right again, so we're all okay. Okay, and that's it for me. If you don't have anything, I'm going to show people around one more time where I am.
Yeah, no, I love that, mate. I'm so happy that we resolved the jobs issue in America in 45 minutes. That was great. That's fantastic.
All right, coming off screen share, I'm going to put myself back on the big screen as Matt closes us out.
All right, guys, hang out for another 5 minutes of Tone showing us around, 2 minutes of Tone showing us around. But before you do, please like and subscribe. Please share it with your friends. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a great weekend. Wherever you are in the world, please join the trading team. There's still a link in the description below. We've got 36 people in there. We could use you. You're the difference in the team, I think. Tone, look at that, mate. That is
All
absolutely
right, well,
gorgeous.
wherever you are in the world, I hope it's as gorgeous as where I am in the world. I am in Rotan, Honduras. I saw some comments in the audience asking me, is Honduras safe? The Honduras mainland is not very safe. The island of Rotan, Honduras is actually incredibly safe. I mean, you don't want to do stupid stuff, you know, in the middle of nowhere drunk on this island, but I mean, use the same caution rules that you would in any major city. Like, is it safer than New York or Chicago? Yes, in many, many areas, right? Not all areas, but many areas. It's way safer here. One of the most gorgeous resorts I've ever stayed in, the future home of a financial summit. I will bring you some videos on my personal YouTube channel about this place, not just this hotel and not just this island, but an incredible project being built out around here. So much Bitcoin acceptance here. You will see me on this island a lot more often. And there will be a video later tomorrow morning with the CEO of the project that's happening here. And then I'll also do my own regular stream, maybe from another location, so I can show you guys these incredible. I gotta do one at sunset. At sunset, it's ridiculous behind me because the sunset's behind me. But yep. Thanks for watching, everyone. And oh, my camera stopped moving. It did. Thanks for watching, everyone. And we'll see you on the next one. I leave here Monday morning, so there's a chance there'll be a stream here on Monday. from the same location, but we'll not sure yet. All right, Matt, enjoy the rest of your night, man.
Thanks, mate. See ya.
Bye, guys.